Good morning, students. So today I will learn you how to arrange the some Roman numerals to in ascending order or in descending orders. Okay. Now you say, suppose these numbers are given 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay. Suppose if these numbers are given, then you can easily arrange this number in ascending order or descending order. Okay. So in ascending order we can write 1 less than 2 less than 3 less than 4. This is the ascending order, and for descending order 4 3 2 1. Okay, that means for Hindu Arabic number, if the Hindu Arabic numbers are given, then we can arrange the numbers in ascending order or in descending order easily. Okay, so at first we have to convert this Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers, then we can easily arrange the numbers. Clear? So at first we have to convert this Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, then we can easily arrange these numbers in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. So at first we have to convert this number to Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so convert this. L means 50 means 10. So 10 smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Then what will happen? It is added. That means 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. Clear? Rule number 2. Okay. So that means LX means 60. Now XL. X means 10. L means 50. That means smaller one is placed at the left side of the larger one. Then what will happen? It will be subtracted from the larger one. The value is then 40. Okay, clear? So the value is 40. Now triple X. So that means 10, 10, 10. So it will be added because repeating numbers must be added. 30. Okay. So value of XXS is 30. LXIS. L means 50. X means 10. I means 1. X means again 10. First two. Smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Then it will be added. That means 50 plus 10. Now look at this 1 or I. The smaller one is placed between two larger ones. Then it will be subtracted from the following one. Okay. Rule number 4. Then so 1 must be subtracted from the 10. So 69. So value of LXIS is 69. Okay. L double X. L means 50. X means 10. Again X means 10. Smaller one is placed at the right side. So rule number 2. It will be added. 10, 10. So numbers are repeated. Then it will be also added. That means 70. Clear? So L double X means 70. Now this triple X. X means 10. This X means 10. This X means 10. This is 5. This is 1. This is 1. Repeating number added. Then 10 plus 10 plus 10. Smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. 5 is placed at the right side of the 10. That means rule number 2. It will be added. Again, so 1 is smaller than 5. The smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Then it will be also added. Then the repeating number 1 repeating number. Then it will be added. 35 7 30. So value of this is 37. So clear? So we can write ascending order 30 greater than 30 less than 37, 40, 60, 69, 70. So what is the answer? 30 means XXX. Then 30 37 XX X B double I. Next 40 XL. Next 60 LX. Next 69 LXIX. Next 70 L double X. So this is the answer. Okay, you can write in this way. Also you can write in ascending order XXX comma, XXX, BII, like this, comma. Clear? Understand? So for ascending order and similarly for descending order, at first we have to arrange the numbers, or sorry, we have to convert this number into Hindu Arabic numbers. Then we can easily arrange these numbers. Okay. For descending order, what will happen? For descending order, it will be reversed. That means 70 greater than 69 greater than 60 greater than 40 greater than 37 greater than 30. ठीक है. Then 70 means L double X. Next 69 means LXIX. Next 60 LX. Next 40 XL. Next 37 XXXV. Next 30 XXX. So this is the descending order. So now clear? How can we arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order? You can write this also in with comma. But then you have to write that we can in ascending order we get this. Clear? Okay. So ascending order and descending order clear. Ascending order means from smaller number to the larger one, and for descending order larger to smaller. Ascending smaller to larger, descending means larger to smaller. Next 7. Number 6 has been done, huh? Descending order. So 7. Five into 8. You have to calculate the value in Roman numerals. So 5 into 8 means at first 5 into 8 means 40. Okay. So 40 means 50 minus, because there is no 40 in this special numerals. So 40 means 50 minus 10. 50 means L, 10 means X, but negative. So negative means the smaller one must be placed at the left side of the larger one. Okay, the answer is XL. Clear? 5 into 8, 40. Okay, you can do it in rough. Okay, and 40 means 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 50L, 10X, as it is minus, then smaller one must be placed at the left side of the larger one. So answer is XL. XL means 40. Clear? Okay. Another example. LV plus XLV. So L means 50, V means 5. So smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one, then it will be added. So LV means 55, X means 10, L means 50, V means 5. Now say smaller one is placed at the left side of the larger one, then what will happen? It will be subtracted from the larger one. That means 50 minus 10. Okay. Now last, smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Then what will happen? It will be added with the larger one. So it is plus. Okay. This is 45. So 55 plus 45 is equals to 100. 100 means C. So the answer is C. Okay. These all are in rough calculation. Clear how to do it? At first you have to convert all the Roman numerals to the Hindu Arabic numerals, then add or multiply or divide it, then convert this into Roman numerals again. Okay. Now this was the number F. Okay. Another example. XCII minus triple I. XCII. X means 10, C means 100, I means 1, This also means 1. So smaller one is placed at the left side of the larger one, then it will be subtracted. That means 100 minus 10. Then 1 is smaller than 100. That means smaller one is placed at the right side of the larger one. Then what will happen? It will be added. 1 plus 1. Repeating number added. So value is 92. 1, 1, 1. That means it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 92 minus 3 is equals to minus 89. So answer is 89. But you have to convert this 89 into Roman numerals. Okay, how? So 89 means 80 plus 9. But no 80 in the special numerals, so no 9. So 80 means we can write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. 9 means 10 minus 1. Then now convert. 50 means L. 10 plus. So as a smaller one is added to the larger one, then the smaller value must be placed at the right side. So X. Now 10, 10. Repeating number. Now 10 minus 1. 10 means X. Clear? But minus 1. That means 1 is subtracted from the larger one. Smaller one is subtracted from the larger one. Then smaller one must be placed at the left side of the larger one. That means 10 is the larger. So and 1 is the smaller. So 1 I will be placed. 1 means I will be placed at the left side of the 10. That means IX. Clear? A, this, and this 10 and 1 this. Clear? How does this come? Clear? Okay, so answer is X, XCII minus triple I is equals to this L triple X IX. Clear? Last example. That was the example number, exercise number F, exercise 7F. Now last VD. (24) 126 divided by 3. So at first division 4 to 42. So 42. So answer is 42. So 42 means 40 plus 2. But there is no 40, no 2 in this group. So 40 means we can write 50 minus 10 and 2 means 1 plus 1. So for 50 minus 10, that means smaller one is subtracted from the larger one. That means smaller one must be placed at the left side. Rule number 3. So 50 means L, that means X, Y, I. So answer is L subtracted. Subtraction means to the left side, and I added. Added means to the right side. So answer is XL double I. Clear? Clear? So this exercise is completed. Now you should do it yourself. Okay, practice it in your home. Thank you.